Alright, what is going on, you guys? I don't have a lot of camera time yet because of the memory space. I think it's on like, what, 24 minutes or so. So I gotta go out and get another stick. But for right now, I'm just gonna use the remaining just for the install for what I have today. Alright, after being in traffic for like 20 minutes, we finally get to a Best Buy and we got what we needed. So check this out, right? We're literally the shop's over there, like there. I guess today, I don't know if you guys know, but on my channel about 2 years ago, oh shit, that's a do not fucking enter, damn it. Bro, where the do I leave at? Okay, you know what? You know what? Okay, give me one more second, hold on. Okay, after finding the right exit after all this time. There's gonna be a big meet tonight. About 2 years ago, I don't know if you guys have seen. If you haven't, I'll tell you briefly about it. Moral was there was a bike accident and that video actually ended up going viral. I say viral because it got more than my usual views would do on a video. That shit there, it ended up pretty much, it was like big ass booms and all type of bad shit. It was fighting, and I think they discontinued it after that all had happened. And the later it would get at night, the worse it got. I think after all this time, 2 years, 3 years, they recontinued it again, I guess you can call it. So I'm really curious to see how this goes. I'm actually pulling in here now to the shop. So we just got to the shop. I didn't know my buddy Jack was here. Jack was also with us when we went down to Wildwood H12. Y'all ain't seen that either. Tap in on the channel. Part 1 and 2. He's actually on a cover photo, I think, of part 2. So you ain't seen that already, check that out. But he's in there, he's getting his tires done. We didn't have to cut fucking tire off, bolt cutters, and it's been an interesting thing since I've got here. We're probably gonna finish helping bro out with his car. I'm about to say I can't be selfish. You gotta help the homies. So getting tires on and all that good stuff, whatever the case may be. I think he said he's going to the Carlotta, the Ford show today, down that way. We just got the car in. We're gonna get these bad boys in. I got gaskets, all of that good stuff. New nuts and bolts, washers. Got my gloves for safety. I don't think these are the safest things to be wearing while working with a car. Nor probably is these, but I need to see what the hell we got going on. So. Alright, so pretty much making my life a little bit easier. I recommend this to you guys also. But we're doing a little spray down to kind of break up the dirt and grime a little bit. So when we go to do all of this, it won't be so bad. We're taking them from the cats. I got new bolts for everything and stuff like that. So we'll let that build up for a little bit. Laying this stuff out, get my gloves on, and yeah, we're gonna get working. Hey, look, so I actually face up, but I was taking the exhaust off and I smacked the shit out of myself. I feel lightheaded because I don't know what right now, but we finishing it up. Like, I was about ready to say, let's pack it up because I got stuff to do, but I was like, you know what, we're gonna figure it out. And I said, damn. I had to get my ass whooped for 4 hours. We do have him out. Again, big thanks to Miles, man. He made this shit happen. Look who pulled up though. Yeah, this the homie Jaza.
Look at that. There's another guy.
There. We about to actually crank up. Let's see.
Hold on, let me record from the back of my
Alright, bet.
Here, you take my camera too? Yeah, you record. Inside with a phone.
Bet. It's somewhat done.
It's all better.
A lot better. better. Hey, so this shit's loud as I don't know what. Yeah, they heard that. Dude, y'all hear what I'm talking about? Yeah, nah, so I don't want to get pulled over, so we are going to just maintain a safe speed and just listen to the sounds. So, yeah. Holy